What's up, people? In the lab, y'all already know. Well, doing some little finishing touches on the old Rivy. I know my boy ought to be calling any minute now. Oh, y'all, hold on. Let me see what this is. My bad, y'all. Look, what's up, little bro? For real? Man, just see if they got 220 ounces then, cause I don't know what else it tastes good in. Yeah. Man, I don't know, little bro. I don't know if any of that go hard, bro. If not, just go by the store and grab two pineapple 20 ounces. That's a big boy. Yo, my bad, y'all. My little bro went to the store for me. But yeah, I know my boy ought to be calling for me to go to the paint probably in another week or two. I think he halfway through with Wayne Delta. Had a lot of body work on that Delta. But I went on and put the electric fuel pump on. I was gonna wait until I did the plastic gas tank and then put the electric fuel pump on. But the last few times I crunk up this car, it's been kind of hard to start. I've been having to spray something in the carburetor for it to crank up, and then the fuel will start flowing. So I don't like that, and I don't want to get it over there to the paint shop. And every time he need to move it, he got to prime it up and do all this. So I went on ahead. Let me see if I can get under here and show y'all what I did. See. Okay. We get up under here. Got the electric fuel pump right here. I'm going to end up. Let me see if I can show y'all. It's going to be mounted up here. It's kind of hard to see at this angle, but it's going to be mounted up here. I already got my power wire ran all the way to the front. Got it grounded over here. Probably, then it's kind of like a glare off the right. My bad, y'all. It's kind of hard to do this and land under the car. But while I was under here, I didn't have a ground coming from my frame, so I ran me a nice ground going back into the trunk. I'm finna get my silicone and seal that hole back off, but I got me a ground coming from the frame. I didn't have that on that at first, so I went on and added it while I'm under here. So, yeah, that's about it. Finished putting this fuel pump on. I gotta put a couple of more clamps on there. Then while I'm under there, I might go ahead and put my batteries in. And what else I done did? Oh yeah, got my chrome strip for the back. That's right here. Got another one that's in way better shape. Got my hood hinge. Hey man, I'm trying to think of my boy name, man. Who sold me that old hood hinge? But so far, let me see something. It look pretty good. So we pretty much complete. Look pretty straight down the side, everything lined up. I tried to I was gonna find another hood, but my boy told me don't worry about it. He say he can get this dent out right there. So I ain't gonna really worry about that. Let him handle all that. But so far, you know, we're looking pretty straight. Pretty straight. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna put the windshield back in until it come from the paint. I ain't worried about that. But yeah, take these woofers out the trunk. I need to find somewhere to put them. I might take them upstairs and put them up there out the way so I won't get no hole or nothing in them. And that way I can go and wrestle with these batteries, man. Them batteries so heavy. Put them back there. I might run up here and go ahead and get those air shocks. I'm pretty sure they're going to have to order them, so I still wouldn't have them tonight anyway. But, yep. That's about all I got going on right now, y'all. Just really trying to get this thing ready so whenever my boy Eddie call, I can go ahead and drive this thing up there to him. And like I say, I don't want him to have no problems trying to crank it up. So put this electric pump on, hood on, everything falling in place. So hopefully within the next couple of weeks he'll be hitting me. And off to the paint she go. Gonna come back some kind of brown. He say he got some kind of brown that he want me to come check out. He say when I get there, we'll do a test pattern of the brown that he got and see if I like it, see if it's too light or if it's too dark, or see if it, you know, kind of going the way that I want to go with it. But I think that's pretty cool that he already got a brown picked out for me. I mean, he a painter, so he kind of know what I'm shooting for. So let's just hope that it's a nice brown. That way I ain't even got to worry about going to the paint store and checking out browns and doing all that. I hope he hit it right on the head. But yeah, y'all, man, I'm just checking in with y'all. I been just doing other stuff around the shop, man. I got me another little get around car. I bought me a little Hyundai Sonata, little 4-cylinder turbo. I'm messing around with that right now. So once I do that, I can park this here, get my body work done. Now this here, what I'm gonna do the, let me see, after I put the 6 in the Rivy, I think, I'm gonna have 3 12s left, because I got one odd one already. So when I put the 6 in the Rivy, I have 2 left from the 8 plus the one I got. That'll be 3. I probably just go get 3 more and do 6 of them ported, maybe 6 or 8 of the Sundown used ported in the Yukon XL. And I'm gonna probably do that boy the same way, probably chocolate. Do the insides. I'm gonna walk y'all through all that, doing the carpet. We gonna go out there to Tomball to my boy Jay, let him build a ported box. He the same person that built the box that's in the 412s in the Caprice that y'all heard. That's my boy Jay out of Tomball. So yeah, y'all, I just been trying to make some little progress. That's the little Hyundai I bought over there. I got a couple of things to do to it, get it registered, a couple of things under the hood. But it crank up, it blow cold AC, so that's cool. And like I say, once I get that rolling, I can park this here and do what I want to this here. And that's going to be a whole nother project after I get through with that Rivy in there. So yeah. And this bad boy here got some room for a nice, big old windy ported box. I can't wait to do that one. Swear I can't. I'm almost just as excited to do that truck than I am this car, because man, there's something about that SUV base. That's a whole different level there, man. This slab base is cool. The pop, the trunk rattle, the loudness. But man, I ain't gonna lie, when I had my SUV, man, that windy base had your ears and hair moving and you blowing smoke, the smoke dancing in the air. Hey man, all that's gravy. I love it. I miss that. And I'm gonna do it again soon. Trust me, you. But yeah, man, I appreciate everybody tuning in. Subscribers steady going up. You know, they told me I'm supposed to say like, share, and comment, but it look like y'all already doing it. So I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, my boy Woops just went to the store, man. We finna kick back, you know, do what we do. I'm finna finish up. It's supposed to be my off day, but you know, I feel like even if I'm working on my own stuff, it's still like my off day because it's a piece of mind. It's my project. I'm working on my project, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's cool, you know. But yeah, y'all, I'm just checking in, man. I'll holler back at y'all later, see what the next move be. Peace out. Y'all be careful out there.